Met Caerdydd yn dechrau'r gêm yn yr hanner gwaelod, sydd ddim yn sefyllfa gyfarwydd iddyn nhw. Dylan Rhys eisiau newid pethau. Rosgrow o bellter, sym yn eto. O, mae'r bêl yn troi'n garedig i Rhys. Maen nhw'n cywio yn y canol. Will Evans! O, ddi'n gyfle. Dim amheuaeth am hynny. Cyfle da i Met Caerdydd ar ôl chwarter awr. Y croesiad gan Rhys yn gwahodd y peniad. A Will Evans ddim yn taro'r targed. Webb yn erbyn Lewis. Dau grif. A Mael Davies bron drodd. Ma fe drodd. Os na gymorth gan Mael Davies. Gwaith da ganddo. Y dacl ar draws. Sgwn i bydd y penderfyniad. Mae'n gic o'r smotyn i Caerfyrddin. Y dacl ar Mael Davies sydd wedi bod yng nghanol popeth da i Caerfyrddin ar ddechrau'r gêm yma. Ond am gyfles da ni fan hyn. Cic o'r smotyn. Ond pan chi wedi colli 5 yn olynol, mae angen bach o lwc. Dyma'r eiliad i Caerfyrddin. Liam Thomas. Maen nhw ar y blaen. A Liam Thomas yn taro. 5 iddo fe tymor yma. Digon o amser i Met Caerdydd fan hyn. Rhys. Rosgrow yn galw amdani. Rhys Thomas. Elliot Evans! Hyfryd! Gan Elliot Evans! Cyfleoedd di bod yn bryn. A mae Elliot Evans di taro eto ei 5ed o'r tymor.
Neil, after losing 5 in a row in all competitions, I guess that's a good point away from home today.
Yeah, absolutely. Cardiff Met, a fantastic team, obviously. You know, they are very, very difficult to beat at home. So yeah, it stops the rot and it starts the points ticking again, which is really important for us as a group.
If it wasn't our day today, it was important that we got out of the game something, and we did that. Great strike by Elliot. Just thought we could have been a little bit more purposeful in higher areas, but nonetheless, you know, we wanted to make sure that we dominated the game, that we put our authority on the game. We certainly did that in probably 2/3 of the pitch, but unfortunately not quite high, right in the high areas.
If you look at outside the top two, I think everybody is pretty much beating everybody, and the league is changing constantly. It's been quite useful for us this year, that there's no huge gaps between us and the teams around us, and if you can put a good run together, which will be difficult because all the teams are beating each other, but if you can put a good run together, you can climb quite quickly.